Today, Tesla stock is making a very good reaction. Yes, it is trying to break free from this trap zone over here, this area between its key support and resistance levels, but still, at least we can assume that this reaction is promising. If Tesla is about to break through its resistance levels and fly again, now is a very good time for that. So in this video, we will talk about that, what it takes for Tesla to fly again, what could possibly go wrong here and ruin this bullish thesis, and we'll also take a look at how the indices are doing at this point, how the broad market is looking right now. This is also very important, so stick with me. My name is Nathan. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. So let's start talking about Tesla stock over here. Daily chart. Here on the daily chart, we see that right now at this moment, the moment that I'm recording this video, Tesla is breaking the 277 resistance level, which by the way reminds me, some of you guys are saying that my numbers on this screen is they are very small, right? So how about now? Can you see the numbers now? Tell me. Just leave a comment. If these numbers are still small, I will make them bigger on our next video, all right? So right now we are breaking the first resistance at 277. Here is 276.99, which is a more specific number, but let's make this a round number. 277. We are breaking this, the first resistance level over here. There is a second one at 284, but in my humble opinion, by breaking the 277 is already enough for us to see Tesla triggering a very nice bullish continuation pattern and in order to retest our next resistance levels. You guys know that my next technical target is $314 up here. This crystal clear resistance area, which did act as a top level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times the past last year. So right now, in my humble opinion, we are about to retest $314. That's my first technical target on Tesla stock. Of course, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I think I overestimated the bears over here because I thought we were going to see a sharper correction. I really thought we were going to retest the 21 EMA, the 21 exponential moving average again. But Tesla is already reacting and it is making a very good reaction. This reaction completely rejects yesterday's candle, which was a particularly ugly candle. Look at this candle over here. Yesterday's candle, bearish candlestick, after it failed miserably in breaking the 277 bearish candle. It was not looking good. The 277 was acting as a resistance level over here. We did a false breakout of the 277 last week, so that was not looking good. But today's reaction right now, it is rejecting this bearish thesis, which is just great, right? This just reinforces our bullish thesis, mid/long-term speaking, and but it also frustrates our bearish thesis, short-term speaking. Either way, it is a very good signal, promising signal in my humble opinion. What's more, if we take a look at the indices over here, last week the market did a very sharp correction. Again, in my humble opinion, it should have retested the 21 exponential moving average because it's been a while since we don't hit this moving average, right? Since May, the end of May. So yes, it's been a while. In my humble opinion, the S&P and the Nasdaq index, they both deserve to see a sharper correction to retest the exponential moving average. But there is no deny, guys. This reaction is extremely bullish and reinforces the idea that the market is bullish mid and long term speaking right now at this moment. We see that let me erase these indicators over here. We see that Tesla triggered a golden cross pattern over here. This is a classic signal of a bull market. If we look at the indices over here, the S&P triggered a golden cross on February this year. The Nasdaq index golden cross on March this year. The market is in a bull market right now. There is no technical way to deny that. You may say, oh, but Nathan, maybe we're going to see a recession, right? There is war, etc. I don't know about war. And honestly, I have some experience trading during recessions because I am Brazilian. By the way, see this flag over here? I am Brazilian. I am a Brazilian trader as well. And I know how to deal with economic downturns. So that does not scare me at all. I don't think it is a major catalyst for us to pay attention at this moment. In my humble opinion, given my humble experience in this market. And by the way, follow me on Instagram because I'm sharing my daily life here in Brazil. I'm sharing exclusive content over there. It is very interesting. So come, join us over there. Follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description of this video. So from a technical point of view, there is absolutely nothing to worry. The trend is still bullish, mid and long term speaking. The market is still clearly bullish. Right now, it feels like Tesla wants to resume the bullish sentiment again by breaking the 277. While Tesla was below the 277 above the 21 exponential moving average, I told you guys that we were inside a trap zone, right? During trap zones, when stocks are inside trap zones, we see many false signals. We see many, this is a very complicated situation, but seeing Tesla breaking this resistance right now and the way it is breaking, this tells us a lot about Tesla's reaction. So this is why I'm telling you guys, it is a very promising movement. I do believe that Tesla right now is prepared to fly again. But Nathan, you said that you are going to tell us what could possibly go wrong here. Yes, I'm gonna tell you guys right now. And by the way, if you wanna trade with me, if you wanna get access to my personal trades, to premium signals, premium analysis, just join my Instagram channel. The link is in the description of this video. So far, we have been nailing many good movements, not only on Tesla, but on Nvidia, SPY, and other stocks. So come on, join us over there for premium content. So far, it is worth the money. So the link is in the description of this video. So Nathan, what could possibly go wrong? Well, if Tesla loses the previous support level. The previous support level is at $265.10. If we lose this support area over here, let me adjust this key point. If we lose this support level, then Tesla is going to trigger a bearish pivot point, a lower high, lower low, assuming that we are not going to break the previous top level, right? Assuming that we are gonna make a top level right now. Assuming that this happens, and if we lose the previous support level, Tesla is going to trigger a bearish structure on the daily chart, and this is gonna ruin the bullish bias over here, mid-term speaking. Mid-term speaking, not long-term speaking yet, but mid-term speaking. Yes, we could possibly lose the 21 EMA, the exponential moving average, and seek lower support levels like the $240, this black line down here. I really hope that right now you guys can see these numbers. So again, leave a comment, and if you are not my subscriber yet, what the heck are you doing? Subscribe to this channel to keep in touch with my daily analysis. I'm here every single day to keep you guys updated on Tesla, on the indices, etc. So come on, join the Finance Hydra community. You are more than welcome. Next week, Tesla is going to report earnings. So the volatility is going to increase. Probably we're going to see wild movements over there. So come on, I'm going to keep you guys updated. Join the family. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye-bye.